Okay, I've started investing or became a certified investment solicitor.
Mm.
That means I can sell mutual funds to clients.
Mhm.
I think way back to 2007 or 6, medyo
Mhm.
matagal na rin.
Matagal na
Almost
nga.
15 years ago, mga 17 years ago. Um, you have to be certified to be able to sell that to your clients.
Mm.
Yon. And mutual funds are pooled investment. Para siyang you put them all together. It's a pooled investment vehicles that collect money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio.